Look, I use Coinbase a lot. I used to be someone that actually never used Coinbase and used to hold all my money on cold wallets, hot wallets, and things like that. But guys, honestly, Coinbase is the most accessible. And if you're a normal investor like the everyday average retail trader, Coinbase is going to be your go-to. And Coinbase is one of the most one of the biggest liquidity providers for Coinbase is going to be Aerodrome Finance. And I don't know about you guys, but Coinbase Ventures actually backs this thing a lot. Guys, we're going to be taking a look at a DEX today and probably the biggest DEX for Coinbase. Anyways, what is going on, guys? My name is Ro. If you're new to the channel, I cover the latest and greatest crypto content. I'm here to try to hold your hand through this bull run and try to help you guys make those gains that you're looking for. Maybe life-changing wealth. That's what I'm here for. So if you guys are here for the same thing, drop the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. I try to post 3 times a day, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss any of my uploads. With that being said, let's take a look today at the charts because this token, it's a token that is hungry. It looks like it has been ripping it, guys. In the last 7 days, we're up 54%. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. The market cap here says 500 million, but the diluted market cap is 1 billion. Now, guys, this token is inflationary. That's something that you guys need to remember. But I feel like there's way too much FUD surrounding it, more than it honestly deserves, okay? Yes, we pumped 54% in the last 7 days, which is astronomical, right? We were even lower than zero point 0.6 at one point. We were all the way down to zero point 0.4, and now we're basically at zero point 0.9. So we honestly pumped over 100% to get to where we are right now. We just weren't able to break over that $1 mark, which again, that's completely fine because when you're coming all the way down from zero point 0.4, it's going to be tough to break over that dollar because it's a psychological resistance, right? There might not be technical resistance there, but at the end of the day, it's a psychological number. It's a whole number. It's a dollar. And so because of that, a lot of people are going to be selling off or tapering their bags as they go up. Now, this is obviously on base. It's available on the Coinbase exchange, which is another reason that I am super bullish on this token. The central trading and liquidity marketplace on Base. Aerodrome Finance is a next generation AMM designed to serve as Base's central liquidity hub. Combining a powerful liquidity incentive engine, vote log governance model, and friendly user experience. Aerodrome inherits the latest features from Velodrome V2 Aerodrome NFT vote to distribute token emissions and receive incentives and fees generated by the protocol. Now, guys, you also need to realize that Coinbase Ventures has dropped a significant amount of money in it to Aerodrome. Now, this is a token that I've been talking about for a really long time, even prior to all this FUD that's been going on and with all these dips that are happening. But look, for the people that held through all this FUD, look how the token is making a comeback, right? Look how it is pumping literally over 200% in just a matter of days, guys. This thing is back, and I'm super excited for where it's going to go because that just means my bags are going to be pumped. And to be quite transparent with you guys, this is a token that I hold. I believe in this coin. I believe in Coinbase, right? Because I think that they're going to be onboarding millions upon millions of users in this bull run. And obviously, when they go over to Base Wallet or Base, what are they going to use? They're going to use Aerodrome. Now, let's take a look at the chart right now. So this is a markup that I actually did this morning here. So this is the bottom supply zone, the resistance at, or the support that we were trading at when we went all the way down. And as you can see here, when we broke past this first and we kind of established that support, you can see how well it held up because we just ripped it from there, right, guys? I mean, like from this support that we're at right now, let's take a look at how high we went up. Literally 400% from this zero point 0.4 mark. And as you can see here, we hit this mark again. It's honestly acting like such a strong support at this point, a strong supply, and we went up 160%, guys, almost 200%. Now, what do I think the next move is going to look like? Well, I think that genuinely, as we go into the market, you guys know the markets over the weekends tend to stay a little bit sideways. So we might see a little bit of sideways action, and then we might see after that a continual to the upside where it passes a dollar because the next resistance area is around here, and then we trade sideways for a bit. We could potentially go a little bit lower, come back and test 0.9, and then we're going to break past this area over here right? And then if we did have to come back and retest anything, it would be this 1.2 level over here. That's just my outlook on Aerodrome for the time being. This is their Twitter. Obviously, you guys could go ahead and drop them a follow. 65,400 followers. And here's a new all new type of liquidity pairing on base. The spot USDC DEX pool went live on Aerodrome last week and now has close to $1 million in liquidity. Look, regardless of all the FUD that has come against this crypto, you need to realize they're still working behind the scenes. They're still making advancements. They're still updating their Twitter. Their marketing team is doing a great job, and they're up, and they are obviously giving out APR, high APR, because of their slipstream protocol, right? Let's take a look at more about that. Epoch 46 recap. Aerodrome reached 1.5 billion in volume, its third highest ever, and the second consecutive week surpassing 1.5 billion. AERO voters earned 4.56 million total rewards during the Epoch with an average voting APR of 43.14%. Guys, there's a lot of ways that you could actually make money by holding Aerodrome. So if you guys want a dedicated video on different ways to make money with Aerodrome, literally just comment that down below and I will try my very best to get to that video. Now, slipstream APR comparison to Uniswap. Aerodrome's LP even higher than Uniswap V3's LP. Liquidity pools for SK, SCOP, WETH. Slipstream pools offer consistent AERO rewards regardless of market volatility, right? Look at the slipstream rewards, guys, 617% as opposed to Uniswap's 475. And if you were to be getting this APR a couple days ago, you have made these AERO tokens and they've also gone up in value. So you made a significant amount of tokens just from holding something like this and getting involved in this liquidity pool, right? Now, if we were to compare the price of AERO and we were just to see it go to the price of Uniswap, that it is right now a 5 billion, right? $5.8 billion market cap. We're only looking at a 10x, obviously because of inflation. That's why I'm saying that. So a 10x, guys, will be astronomical because this token will go to $10.80. It's literally it's basically a 12x, but you guys kind of understand my point here, guys. That would be insane if we could go that high, and I do believe we could, because honestly, Aerodrome has the potential of going anywhere from $40 to $70 for this bull cycle. Obviously, that might sound moon boyish to some of you guys, but that is just how much I believe in this project, and I think that we have a great chance of pumping. Obviously, I hold other coins because, yes, I understand this thing is inflationary. The tokenomics aren't the best, but I still believe in a coin that has backing from Coinbase Ventures, especially millions upon millions worth of investment. Now, at the end of the day, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. Please, please, please do your own research before you invest into anything. Anything that I talk about, anything that you see other people talking about, please do your own research. Anyways, if you guys want to talk to me, get to know, what I hold, or talk about the gym, cars, faith, whatever it may be, send me a DM over on Instagram at Roshawn Silva. I'll make sure to get back to you guys and reply. A lot of people have been messaging me, just talking to me and asking me how they could buy this or how they could buy that, or about random crypto coins. Anyways, it's been your boy Ro. I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless you guys and peace out.